Suburban Smoker can be found in backyards all over the world, most noted for their tolerance of rain, wind, snow, and fire. They have adapted to these conditions to create such delicacies as our next recipe here on Good Cheer, the beer-soaked Philly Cheesesteak Sandwich. Take it in, desire it, and maybe even question it. Not, why do you exist? More like, how do I get one inside me? Today on Good Cheer, our very own Suburban Smoker, Brian Holmes, guides us through the steps to making this monstrosity for yourself.
I'm going to use the pellet grill with Pitmaster's Choice Competition wood pellets. It's a blend of hickory, cherry, and oak, and I find it works best for beef. So you grab your meat and you sprinkle liberally your steak rub on, and you press it in there really good. Rotate it around, sprinkle, 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 press, press, press. When the smoker is at temp, toss on beef and insert temperature probe. Set your app for the temp probe to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab your temperature probe, insert. And close her up. Slice the onions and peppers. Put them in a frying pan and add butter while on medium-low. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. I like my onions, peppers really cooked down, almost mushy. If you want to cook them less so they are still crunchy, just cook the onions down and not so much for the peppers. Whatever you like. The reason why I'm using Canuck Pale Ale for my recipe is because of the citrus and pine notes, but mostly because it's always in my fridge. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to pick her up right now, make a little boat for the gear to hold on to it. Beer, drop her up. Close the lid, save the rest of the beer for later. Oh, look at that. Watch out for that. The trick is, you gotta take the probe out. Oh. When the alarm hits 205 degrees Fahrenheit, bring inside and let rest on the counter for at least 50 minutes. This will let the juice all reabsorb back into the meat. Probably pull it apart. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh yeah. Pull the beef or dice. Mix with onions and peppers. Heat up a small bowl of Cheese Whiz in the microwave. Cheesy goodness.
And that is the Good Cheer beer-soaked Philly Cheesesteak Sandwich video. You got something on your face there, Brian. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.